What genre do you think you'll pull? Comedy is king. Hope you don't get musical, 'cause none of you can sing. Find a laser for your silent film. Your western needs a frog. An accountant in your fantasy. What was that dialogue?
You've only got a couple days. There's way too much to do. But somewhere in those sleepless nights, your friends become a crew.
Okay, I think I got it.
Thursday you were mopping floors. This weekend you're a star.